Hello friends. In this video, we'll talk about quarter 3 results of LTI Mindtree. Uh, Talking about revenue, then revenue went up by 2.4% quarter on quarter to 9,660 against expectations of 9,649. So revenue is pretty much in line. A bit down 9% from 1458 to 1328 crores. Uh, Against expected 1367. uh, EBIT margin was at 13.8% against 15.5, and expectation was 14.17. So there is a miss when it comes to margin and EBIT. uh, Net profit was down quarter on quarter by 13% to 1086 against estimated 1144, and last quarter it was 1251. So we can call it a miss since profit numbers were down. They were decent for Infosys, but for LTI Mindtree, numbers are down, and they have sort of missed the expectations. Company has a market cap of 1.72 lakh crores and has a P of 37.2, has a ROC of 31.2 and ROE of 25, and has a decent dividend yield of 1, but still it is less than Infosys, which has dividend yield of around 2%. Its current valuation is above its historical average of around 34. Uh, Profit growth also, as we can see, have sort of declined. In last few quarters, it has not been able to deliver good profit growth. Before merger of LTI Mindtree, growth was decent, but after merger, companies incurring high expenses because of the merger, and that is getting impacted on its overall profitability. We have seen same thing got repeated in case of the merger of HDFC and HDFC Bank also. That stock also is struggling because of the higher expenses post merger. Same is happening with LTI Mindtree. It may not be the case in every merger, but in most of the cases, especially with big mergers, we have seen these things happening, and that is exactly what LTI Mindtree is also facing. Talking about its historical growth rate, then though growth rate is looking like 30%, but it is mainly because of the merger. Revenue of Mindtree also is being added, and that has shot up the sales and profit numbers. But we can consider its growth rate to be similar as that of Infosys, since LTI Mindtree also has become a big company now, having market cap of more than 1.5 lakh crores. So it's not a small company, and hence we can expect it to show similar growth path as that of Infosys and even TCS, which is in low double digit, around 12 to 15% at max. Talking about its technicals, then stock is following the increasing trend line channel. It did take support near this trend line in the past, three times in the past, and is taking resistance near this top end of this trend line. Now, since results are not encouraging, there is a possibility of stock going down and may test levels of near 5,000, which is also follow the trend line support. However, if uh, commentary is good, then we can expect stock to go up. However, likelihood of that happening is very low, since we have seen that growth numbers are also not very high. So investors may not expect it to deliver abnormal growth in coming quarters as well. So these are the few things which need to be considered while analyzing this stock. Remember, friends, this analysis is only for the educational purpose. Kindly do not consider it as a stock buy or sell recommendation. Kindly do your own due diligence before investing in any stock. Thank you.